come back. Okay, so come back is a noun. Could you write noun beside it? Okay, no problem. You don't have to write it. So come back is a noun. And what does it mean? It means what? To start doing something again, which you had stopped doing it. Okay, and it become popular again. Like the examples that you have told me about here, the film star made unexpected comeback. So comeback, it means, yeah, so comeback here, it means to do something again. Yeah, to become successful again, like this example here, the film star made unexpected comeback. Now let's move to come back, migrating. And for migrating here, so the verb migrate, and we said migrate here, it means to move from one part to another or from place to another. You have stopped sharing. Could you reshare again? Okay, so for migrating again, so migrate here, it means like what I have told you about before. So it means moving from place to a place. Again, it's a noun. Like when I say some animals migrate, it means moving from a place to another place in search of food. Or we can say some birds migrate in winter because of the cold weather. So migrate here, it means to travel from a place to another place. We have talked also about restore, and we said restore, when I say the operation restored his sight, so restored here, it means to come back. So restored means to what?
Come back.
Yeah. So restore here, or we can say bring back. So bring back, it's a better to say bring back. So restore here, it means to bring back. So when I
Then
say
migrate, is it noun or verb or adjective?
migrate here, some animals, it's a verb here. Migrate, we used it as a verb here. Okay.
Okay.
So you can remove ing from the word itself. يعني خليها migrate, not migrating. واكتبيها verb. Yes. E. There is E after the T, Dana. You missed, yeah. So write E. Migrate. Yes. So verb. And please, Dana, some animals في ls زيادة. So please, can you remove it? Yes. So some animals migrate in search of food. So migrate here, it means to move from a place to another place. Again, restore, it means to bring back. So when I say the operation restored his sight, so now he can see. Now he can see because of the operation. Okay.
Okay.
Also, let's move to another word, which we call
Mister,
it.
is it verb or
Yes,
adjective?
verb. Yeah, so here restore, it's a verb. Yes, so it means to bring back a situation or feeling that existed before. So I can give you another example. So when I say such a kindness restores your faith in human nature، يعني العطف ده بيرجع إيمانك في الطبيعة البشرية يعني. لكن الإكزامبل اللي أنت كتبتيه it's a good one اللي هو the operation restored his sight. It means made him able to see again. So restored here it means what? It helped him or it made him able to see again. Okay?
Okay.
For fungus here, so we said the fungus attacked the frog. So fung here is a noun. Okay?
Okay.
So fungus here is what? Is a
A noun.
noun. Yeah. So it's a covering of mold or it's a covering of fungus. For example, when I say some plants get fungus infections. So infections اللي عدوى يعني عدوى الفانجس. Okay. But this example is easy. The fungus attacked the frog. يبقى الفانجس دي هي attacked ايه؟ Attacked the frog. Okay. Can you hear me, Dana?
Yes, Mr. Okay.
The last one, native. What do you think of native here, Dana? Is it noun, verb, or adjective?
It's noun.
No, it's adjective. Adjective. Okay. Yeah. انت عارفة what does it mean fungus in Arabic, Dana?
بكتيريا.
أو الفطر يعني.
فطريات.
Yes اللي هي إصابة بالفطر يعني. So fungus here اللي هي الإصابة بالفطر. فلما قلنا the fungus attacked the frog يبقى الفطريات هجمت يعني الإيه؟ الفروج وأصابتها. Okay, you have stopped your screen.
Yes, Mr.